Happy Monday, November the 7th, 2022. Today's daily Bible readings come to us from Psalm 98, Haggai 2:10 through 19, 2 Peter 1:16 through 21, or you could have read the complementary readings, which are Psalm 1, 2, 3, Job 21 through 11, and then 2 Peter 1:16 through 21. I'm going to take a look at Psalm 98 today and use our friend Malcolm's poem for Psalm 98, Cantate Domino, and that's the Latin name. It's not domino as in like let's go to dominoes or like let's play dominoes, but it's the Latin name taken from the first line of the psalm in Latin. So I'm going to read Psalm 98, and then we'll hear Malcolm's response, his sonnet written in response to that. Psalm 98. Oh, sing to the Lord a new song, for he has done marvelous things. His right hand and his holy arm have gotten him victory. The Lord has made known his victory. He has revealed his vindication in the sight of the nations. He has remembered his steadfast love and faithfulness to the house of Israel. All the ends of the earth have seen the victory of our God. Make a joyful noise to the Lord, all the earth. Break forth into joyous song and sing praises. Sing praises to the Lord with the lyre and the sound of melody. With trumpets and the sound of the horn, make a joyful noise before the King, the Lord. Let the sea roar, and all that fills it, the world and those who live in it. Let the floods clap their hands. Let the hills sing together for joy at the presence of the Lord, for he is coming to judge the earth. He will judge the world with righteousness and the peoples with equity. Now, Cantate Deo, which is Psalm 98, a sonnet written by Malcolm Geet in response to that. Or Geit, I should say. I always want to pronounce his name the wrong way. Malcolm Geit. For Christ himself will shine as the true ark, the Holy One between the cherubim, in his right hand and in his heart the mark and imprint of the wounds we gave to him, which he returns as love. He has declared that love with open hands and heart. To him the world with all its wounds, its shared desires and fears, will come to seek the peace which he still offers freely. He has spared the guilty, for he chose to take their place and suffer for them. Therefore, we will sing a new song. In all the renewing grace still flowing from those wounds, the world will ring with music, drama, dance, and poetry, with every gift that grateful hearts can bring. Psalm 98, the psalm for today, for Monday, November 7th, 2022. We're like in our last week of the Christian calendar year, really full week. Because we're coming up on Christ the King Sunday. And so a lot of the texts this week are going to be pointing towards that. So anyway, that's the DBR for today. Get out, enjoy the day. We'll talk to you later. Boop.